Assalamu alaikum students.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you guys?
Alhamdulillah.
Very good. Welcome to Step by Step Quran Learning Program by Hafiz Rehman. Inshallah, today we will learn the second lesson, which is combined letters, which we call in Arabic murakkabat. In this lesson, there are going to be more than one letter. In this lesson, you will learn one letter, two letters together. Read the letters without harakat, like zabar zar pesh. Don't pronounce like abata. In this lesson, only we learning how to combine letter and what is the shape of the letters, because when you combine letters, then shape change. For example, the second line, first line is alif, lam, and then second line is lam, alif. Now you can see that when you write lam separately, how is the shape in the first line? When you combine other letter, like you join the alif, so shape change. Same thing, second, jim, alif. First one was lam, alif. Second one is jim, alif. Now jim, when you write jim separately, shape is different. But when you combine, when you join, then shape change. Now you can see shape is different. So you're going to pronounce this jim, alif. And next letter, lam, alif. Now first lam, alif and this lam, alif, both is same lam, alif, but first one and second one is different way writing style. And then next mim, alif. Mim, when you see mim separate, its shape is different, but when you combine, then shape will be like this if it is in the beginning, but if it is in the end, it will be different. Next letter, lam, alif, already we learned is the same shape. And then ba, alif. Ba, you can see one dot in the bottom, so that is ba. When you combine with other letters, shape will be like this if ba is in the beginning. When you have ba in the middle, so shape will be different. You will learn in the inshallah in next lesson. And next line, third line, lam, alif, and then lam, jim. Lam, jim, this lam is different than other lam. You can say the shape is different way to write. So first one is, the top one is lam, bottom one is jim, lam, jim. And next one, lam, alif, same thing you learn in second line. And then lam, ba. When you see lam in the beginning, shape will be like this, lam, and then ba. And next one, lam, alif, same thing we had in the second line. And then ba, lam, ba. First letter is ba, second one is lam. When you write lam in the middle, so shape is like this, and ba is as it is, like we have ba. When you write ba separately, shape like almost same. And then next line, kaf, kaf, kaf. You can see all different kaf, but is same thing. The small kaf, we pronounce it light without dots, so you pronounce light, kaf. Next kaf is, that is also kaf, but is different handwriting. And next line, kaf, ba, kaf, ta, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ta, kaf, tha, ba, ta, tha, noon, ya, ba, alif, ta, alif, tha, alif, noon, alif, ya, alif, ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, ta, sin, tha, sin, tha, jim, ta, ha, noon, kha, ya, ha, ba, jim, ba, mim, ya, mim, noon, mim. Now here you can see noon and then mim. Mim is at the end, so shape is different. Before we had meme in the beginning, shame was different. And then next line, ta, meme, tha, meme, ba, ya, noon, ya, ta, ya, tha, ya, noon, ba, lam, ba, noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, ya, lam, ya, ta, lam, tha, lam, noon, ba, noon, noon, ta, ya, noon, ya, ta, noon, tha, noon, ya, noon. And then jim, ha, kha. These are the letters you can see now is written separately, so its shape is different. In the next line you will see in combined together, then shape will change. For example, the first one, second line, next line, ha, tha. Look at the ha on the first line, that is different, and when you see here joining, so it's different shape, like ha, tha, and then kha, ba. Kha in the first line, at the end, the last one, kha, that is shape is different. Here when you writing together, combining, so shape is different. Kha, ba, jim, ta, ha, ta, ya, jim, ba, sad, ha, ba, kha, ta, ha. Now here ta, if you have two dots, that is ta. If you don't have dot, that is ha. Like next one, and the next ha is called two chashmi wali ha, is two eyes, we pronounce same, ha, soft. All of them are soft. Next, ba, ta, ya, ha, ta, ha, ya, ha, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim. Dal, dal, ra, za. Now student will repeat with me. Jim, dal,
Jim, dal,
kha, dal,
kha, dal,
jim, ra,
jim, ra,
kha, za,
kha, za,
ya, ra,
ya, ra,
ta, za,
ta, za,
mim, dal,
mim, dal,
kaf, dal,
kaf, dal,
fa, ra,
fa, ra,
mim, za,
mim, za,
sin,
sin,
shin,
shin,
صاد
صاد،
ضاد
ضاد،
طاء
طاء،
ظاء
ظا،
سين لام
سين، لام،
شين لام
شين، لام،
صاد باء
صاد، باء،
طاء باء
طا، باء،
ضاد ألف
ضاد، ألف،
سين را
سين، را،
شين قاف
شين، قاف،
ضاد ياء
ضاد، ياء،
ظاء ألف
ظا، ألف،
عين
عين،
غين
غين،
همزة
همزة،
عين زاء
عين، زا،
غين را
غين، را،
صاد عين
صاد، عين،
ضاد غين
ضاد، غين،
باء عين دال
باء، عين، دال،
تا غين ذال
تا، غين، دال،
همزة ألف.
همزة، ألف.
Actually this is a mistake, print mistake. It's supposed to be dal. Again बच्चों, student repeat again. باء عين دال
باء، عين، دال،
تا غين ذال
تا، غين، ذال،
همزة ألف
همزة، ألف،
همزة واو
همزة، واو،
همزة يا همزة
همزة، يا، همزة،
فا
فاء،
قاف
قاف،
mim,
كاف ميم
lam mim,
لام ميم
ta mim,
تا ميم
ta mim, ta.
تا ميم تا.
Now, imtihan, the exam. From here, student has to pronounce each letter separately, has to recognize. Like alif, ya, alif, kaf. Like this, student has to pronounce, student has to recite. Next part, noon, sin, ta, ain, ya, noon. Now Hasanain, can you recite next one?
واو ميم ألف يا دال را يا كاف.
Good job. Now Aisha, you recite next sentence, next line. Lam,
لام عين لام عين ألف ها
lam, ain, lam, ha. Very good. Again.
عين لا ها يا زا كاف يا ألف واو يا زا كاف
Alif, waw, ya, dal.
كاف را.
Good job. Now Hasanain, go ahead.
فا تا نون فا عين ها ألف ألف ذال كاف را
Alif, lam,
ألف لام ذال كاف را يا فا سين يا كاف فا يا كاف ها ميم ألف لام لام ها قاف باء لام تا ها ميم.
Next Aisha.
ميم سين تا قاف يا ميم با حا جيم را ها ميم نون سين جيم يا لام.
Good job. Now Hasanain.
فا جيم عين لام ها ميم كاف عين صاد فا ميم ألف كاف واو لام لا لام تا نون با همزة نون.
Good job. So mim, hamza, kaf, waw, lam, ta, noon, ba, hamza, noon. So guys, you have to recite like this. Students, you have to recite all the letters like this without any problem, without any issue. If you can read like this without problem, without any issue, that means you did well done, you did excellent job. Now you can move ahead. Now you can move to the next lesson. Otherwise, if you have mistake, you have trouble or problem to recite this lesson, this test by yourself, so you cannot move to next lesson. You have to repeat or review the previous one, the lesson number 1 mufradat and lesson number 2 murakkabat. But if you done good, like you did good now, mashallah, now you can move to the next lesson, which is third lesson, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.